1388, traffic 2 on final, runway 26, runway 25 right, clear.
Runway 26, over takeoff, American 1388.
South 2026 in your southbound turn, contact departure.
Departure, good day.
American 1388, contact departure, good day.
Departure, American 1388. So departure, American 1388, 2000, climb to broke 1.
American 1388, Phoenix departure, verify 4P1 departure.
4P1 departure, American 1388. We're doing the broke 1, American 1388.
9 o'clock, less than a mile, same direction, Boeing 737, 3000. Do you have the traffic in sight?
26 says American in sight.
2286, okay. If you need to turn left, immediately do so. 1388, Phoenix.
Go ahead.
1388, traffic alert, 9 o'clock, less than a mile, Boeing 737, 3000. Do you have the traffic in sight?
Yeah, affirm, we have American 1388.
I'm sitting right there. Do you see the traffic?
Affirm, American 1388.
American 1388, roger. 2026, traffic has you in sight.
Copy that. Can we get a heading now for 2286?
20, that was 2026. Okay, did you make the turn?
We checked about 30 to the left.
That was 2026. Alrighty. Let's turn. I want to make sure American turns out of your way here. That was 2026. Turn 15 degrees right.
15 right, so this is 2286.
American 1388, ident. American 1388, radar contact 6 miles west of Phoenix. Phoenix altimeter 1086. Fly present heading, climb and maintain 8000.
Alright, present heading, climb and maintain 8000, American 1388.
Was 2286, turn left heading 180.
180, so this is 2286.
American 1388, turn left heading 180.
Left turn at 180, American 1388.
Alright, so with 2286, I forgot. Did I climb and maintain flight level 210 if I didn't already do that?
Alright, 8 for 210, so this is 2286, heading 180.
Yeah. So with 2286, turn left heading 120, vector 2, eclipse.
120, so this is 2286.
American 1388, climb and maintain flight level 210, maintain 250 knots.
Alright, climb at 210, maintain speed 250, American 1388.
That was 2286, clear direct eclipse, resume navigation.
Direct eclipse on navigation, so this is 2286.
American 1388, turn left heading 120.
Left turn at 120, American 1388.
That was 2286, resume normal speed, contact Albuquerque Center 125.4.
Normal speed 25.4, so this is 2286. Phoenix, American 1388.
American 1388, Phoenix.
You have time for questions?
Real quick.
Yeah, we were cleared the broke 1. That's why we were making that left turn. I'm not sure. We never heard about the 4P.
Okay, American 1388. Someone else will handle it at some point in time. If you hear from anybody, handle it there. I'm done with it.
All right.
American 1388, contact Albuquerque Center 132.9er.
132.9er, American 1388.